I create a dashboard in Power BI. This dashboard name is Big Four Financial Leaks Visualization. That is Big Four company MNC, Deloitte, E&Y, KPMG, and PwC financial report visualization. We use a slicer that is there is no slice, that is card, that is a multiple card. First, that is audit effective, effectiveness score, sum of complaints violence. After that, sum of fraud cases detected, and then sum of high risks cases, and at the last, that is average of client satisfaction score. And after that I use a slicer that is a four company name: Deloitte, EY, KPMG, and PwC. And then I use a that is a text box, and I use a bar chart that is describe year wise total revenue. Okay, that's 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Also, so visualize the revenue year wise. After that, I use a line and stack column chart, both line and stack column chart. This is visualize year wise company violation and average client satisfaction score. Column visualize that is complaints violence, and the line chart describe or indicate client satisfaction score. That is 2020 complaints violence. Sum of complaint violence, that is 2441, and customer satisfaction is 7.65. That is 2021 complaints violence 1562, it is down, and satisfaction cost 7.27, that is also down. 2022 2022, that is his violence is 1556, also down, and satisfaction score is 6.77, still down. After the 2023 complex violence is 14554, and satisfaction score is 7.42, that is up from previous year. After 2024, that is 1529, and satisfaction score is 7.39, that's level. And 2025 is stand 2006, and satisfaction score also high, 7.44. Okay, And after that, I use bar chart to visualize for industry. For industry workload, and it's also I use a conditional formatting, that is indicate 45 to 65, below, average, and down. And finance, that is workload is 60.80, that is average. Also retail 60.19, it's also average. 60.13, that is average. And the last, that is technology 60.0603, sorry. Okay, that is over 60, that is also pressurized, highly pressure industry, highly pressure workloaded. Okay, and after that I use a stacked column chart. It is sum of high risk cases and with fraud cases detected. This is healthcare sector, fraud cases 1410, and highly risk cases, that is 7395, 7293, 1394, and technology, a retail 7000, and fraud cases detected, that is 1365. Finance 1101, and highly risk cases, that is 6085. Okay, at the last I use a clustered bar chart. It's also a bar chart, and I again I use a conditional formatting, that is client satisfaction score. Its average is below 3 is red, 5 is average, and 8 is good. 6 to 8 is good, and after over 8, that is outstanding. Okay, let's see. 2025 client satisfaction score is 7.44, good. 2024, that is 7.39, also good. The 7.42. 2022, 6.77, it's down. 2021, 7.27, and 2020, that is 7.65. Okay, so I click one on one company slicer and check all details and company performance. Then I click Deloitte, click and visualization on in our screen, that is revenue 467.82 2021, that is 2567 568 1176.59. 2020, that is down 438 crore. And total revenue impact 1834.86. Okay, that, that is a high risk cases and audit engagement 5862 1224 over 5862 cases, 18,598. And high risk cases detected 1389, that is 1369. Okay, that is 448 2231. And 2025 1824. Okay, please click one by one. That is E N Y KPMG PWC. Okay, I check one by one slicer and verify his performance and visualize his performance. Okay, I also 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 share the link with viewers. Please check all. Please see the video and say one by one slicer. Click one by one slicer and verify his performance. Okay, so I think it's not so tough. It's a easy slicer to visual to understand. So please view this. Please check this dashboard. If this dashboard is valuable for your grow your knowledge and grow your visualize skill, so please like and share my creative dashboard. Okay, if you are support me, and then I share and create some other visualize from other sector also. Okay, so please view, please see and like. Thank you very much.